Sorry, I'm watching The Sorcerer's Apprentice. I decided that I was gonna go ahead and do some artwork. I'm just loading up my Apple Pencil. I'm gonna plug the charger into my iPad, and you guys are gonna see me in action, hopefully effectively and efficiently. Yeah, let's see what I make today. Can you even see me?
It'll be dead soon. Find the boy. Well, how do we do that? Now focus on control. So you do the
fixated on the technical aspects of it, but stay happy. So, do you want to read it? Cool. Makes this easy. Get the ring out. Put it on. Good one. Where is she? She. Shut up. You haven't been completely truthful with me.
I'm not asking.
Thank you. The issues. Remember that? That dog at night. There they come. Are you telling me you honestly don't see that? No, see what?
Okay, I think I'm done. This is what I got. Beast. Yeah. I like the style that I go for. It's kind of like this etched look. But yeah, it looks really, really cool. I like it a lot. I usually have trouble trying to put together something sort of quickly, efficiently, but also achieve something that I really like. I think I like this a lot. I think that it demonstrates a lot of the potential I have in regards to just like making artwork in general. Which is so interesting to say because I know that I'm good at making art. It's just like effectively making a piece sometimes is complicated for me in terms of the process. But I literally all I did was sketched out really quickly, promptly, without, proportions or whatever. Sketched out what I had referenced and then blocked in everything in terms of color. Obviously, I did some line work and I did a lot of harsh lines. They weren't like perfect lines, they were mostly like made to make the implication of what it could potentially be. And then I just colored, shaded a little bit, shaded very lightly actually. And yeah, I got this. So I'm happy about it. It looks pretty cool. I think I'm trying to be more lenient when it comes to making artwork because I don't think that making artwork, I don't think that you're supposed to make like perfect artwork or artwork that is so strongly correlated to like the kind of concentration of art you want to go for. Like I usually kind of go towards realism, and I think that like I was always so obsessed about making my artwork look really realistic. But at the end of the day, I think it's about putting in what really matters and not necessarily every single piece of some like aspect of realism, if that makes sense. I like the idea of making a implication of something, implying something, complimenting something, kind of alluding to it rather than trying to perfectly illustrate it. Because in a way, I think it becomes yours as an artist. So, yeah. Um, Hello. I just thought I would record at this point in time because I just felt really inspired. My cat's eyes are glowing. How perfect. Anyway, I thought it would be fun. I'm watching Beetlejuice. Reasons by Earth, Wind, and Fire has been in my head since my mom played it earlier today. It was like a lot of nostalgia rushing back to me because I used to listen to artists like them when I was growing up, and it was an entirely different kind of feeling that I got from songs like that versus today's music. Sometimes, especially back then, I wish that I could like share music with other people, like the people that I followed and everything. I wish that I could somewhere create a kind of conversation. And I thought posting did that, especially on my story. I thought posting meant that I was creating a conversation and inviting people to discuss, the artists I found or knew of. But I think fundamentally it presented a barrier in between others because of how scary and vulnerable it could be for somebody to communicate. Late night thought. The reason that we're here, la 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 la.
I wonder if they got the ice skating rink up, yo.
Look at all those chickens. Whoa. That was pretty neat. Hi guys again. Sorry if my hair looks crazy. As you saw, I just went on a walk with my mom and it was awesome. It was really great. It was fantastic, spectacular, beautiful, everything. Yeah, a good walk to start the morning. I am now, earlier I had like chicken and vegetables, very like filling, interesting breakfast for sure, but nevertheless filling breakfast. And then I had some like berries and stuff on the side. So now I'm actually having a carrot muffin. This is what it looks like, with a few dark chocolate pieces on the side. I'm starting to eat whole meals now, and I'm realizing that I get full very, very, very fast because it's literally whole food. So yeah, I'm just having this for a snack. I guess this is kind of like my lunch because I don't think I'll want to eat until later. It's so good. I'm so happy. I got my coffee here too. And yeah, I think I'm gonna just like chill and watch a movie. This is like one of my more chill days. And yeah, I was just really excited to tell you about the muffin because it's amazing. I can tell you what's in it actually. There's oil, sugar, eggs, flour, baking soda, cinnamon, salt, nutmeg, pineapple. Can you believe it? Carrots, walnuts, and has wheat, egg, and wheat and egg. They tell you what it contains because I guess obviously people have different allergies. So yeah, bless you. I think I'm gonna watch something while I eat my muffin and then read my book, A Court of Wings in Ruin. I'm on the third book now. I can't believe that I'm on a third book of a series. It's crazy, and they're really big. So I'm very impressed with myself. And I really like the book. The character development is, I just love it. I feel like I needed this. So if you guys would like me to talk more on that, I would love to. But yeah, I have to get my cat because he's chewing a bag.